Nanofibers, the material for the third millennium. Nanofibers are amazingly thin. A single drop of polymer solution can be transformed into a fiber that would wrap the entire planet. Nanofibers are made by NanoSpider. It's not a spider, but a machine that was invented at the Technical University of Liberec by Professor Yirsag and produced by the company El Marco. NanoSpider is much faster than a spider. The fibers that are made by it are up to 50 times thinner than spider's fibers, and the machine can do millions of them at the same time. It's the so-called needleless electrospinning, where the polymer is deployed on the electrodes. This technology enables not only a high volume of manufacturing, but also a high quality of products and easy maintenance of the machine. A powerful electrical field draws the conductive polymer and spins nanofibers that are 20 to 500 nanometers thin. These are captured thanks to the second electrode on the running substrate fabric. The resulting products demonstrate a high quality and homogeneity. The possibility of large-scale production and easy maintenance of the equipment with preserving the highest quality of the production enable the development of products at affordable prices.